Hey there, friends. It's Pharmacist Michael. Can you take TMG and NAC together? And should you? Both of these supplements have gained major popularity for liver health, methylation, detox support, and even longevity. But is it possible that combining them could backfire for some people? We're talking antioxidant synergy versus methylation overload. And I'm here to break it all down for you. No hype, just real science. So let's get started. Before we talk interaction, let's make sure we know what these two heavy hitters actually do. TMG, or trimethylglycine, is a compound found in beets, spinach, and whole grains. It's a methyl donor, meaning it helps your body carry out essential biochemical reactions, especially in homocysteine metabolism. It's often used for mood support, cardiovascular health, and methylation balance. NAC, or N-Acetylcysteine, is a powerful precursor to glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. It's used for detoxification, liver support, mucus clearance, and even mental health. It's also been studied for things like addiction recovery, immune support, and inflammation control. So far, both sound great. But the real question is, are we looking at a powerful duo or a case of too much of a good thing? Let's look at the synergy first. NAC helps support glutathione production, especially in the liver, where detox and oxidative stress are constantly at play. TMG supports methylation, which is critical for recycling homocysteine, a marker of cardiovascular risk and cellular stress. Here's where the puzzle fits. NAC metabolism produces homocysteine as a byproduct. TMG helps neutralize homocysteine through methylation. That means, when taken together, TMG may actually balance out one of NAC's potential downsides. That's real biochemical synergy. But what if your body already has too much methyl support or not enough need for it? Here's where it gets tricky. If you're already taking B12, methylfolate, SAMe, or other methyl donors, adding TMG might push you into overmethylation territory. Signs of this include anxiety or restlessness, rapid heartbeat, headaches, sleep disruption, and muscle tension. And while NAC is generally well tolerated, too much can thin mucus excessively, cause GI issues, or lead to imbalanced sulfur metabolism in sensitive people. If you're combining NAC and TMG without monitoring how you feel, it's easy to miss the signs that your body is overloaded. For some people, this combo is a game changer. You might benefit from combining TMG and NAC. If you have high homocysteine levels, you struggle with oxidative stress, toxicity, or chronic inflammation, you're under intense physical or mental stress. You have genetic mutations like MTHFR that affect methylation or detox pathways. You're exposed to environmental toxins, medications, or alcohol that deplete glutathione. For these folks, the TMG plus NAC stack can support both detox and methylation simultaneously. A powerful 1-2 punch. But as always, more isn't always better. So if you're going to try this stack, how much should you take? Here are general conservative starting points. TMG, 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Start low if sensitive. NAC, 600 to 900 milligrams once or twice daily. Many use 600 milligrams in the morning and 600 milligrams in the evening. Take NAC on an empty stomach for better absorption, and take TMG with or without food, ideally early in the day to avoid overstimulation in sensitive people. If combining with B vitamins, use caution with high-dose methylfolate or methyl B12 unless guided by a practitioner. And of course, always talk to your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medications or have a health condition. Antioxidants and methylation matter, but balance is everything. I think both TMG and NAC are powerful tools when used intentionally. Stacking them can be incredibly beneficial for detox, inflammation, mood, and recovery. But not everyone needs the same dose or combination. Listen to your body, start low, and focus on personalized, evidence based health, not trendy mega stacks. Be sure to check out the description section of this video for products I recommend. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to optimize their health. Comment below. Have you tried TMG, NAC, or both? What was your experience? I'm Pharmacist Michael. Be informed, be empowered, and as always, be happy and be healthy. I'll see you in the next video.